Last time you remember you have traced a route which is your journey from your home to the school, and it will look something like that with a yellow line which shows your route. What we're going to do is we're going to transfer this to a J2E page. So the first thing that we need to do is to load up J2E. If we get the home screen, we can pull down and we can type J2 and it will show us underneath the application J2 launch. So I'm going to tap that and it opens up. So what I'm looking for is J2E5. So I tap on that and that gives us a page. Now I need to transfer the picture from the iPad into J2E. If you look along the icons at the top of the screen, you can see there's a little outline of a person in a picture frame, and if I tap on that, it will let me get to a section which lets me choose the picture. Now I've just clicked on the red plus that you can see. When you click on the red plus, you get the chance to choose a file. So I'm going to tap on that, and you might need to tap on it twice. I think there's a bug there in the software. I'm going to go to the photo library and I'm going to recently added photographs. That's the third one down. Those are the photographs I recently added to my library on the iPad, the photo library on the iPad. Tap on that. And that gives us small images of the different pictures. Now, the photograph that I want, which is the route to school, is that one there. And I just tapped on it and you see a little tick has appeared. Now I'm going to click on Done. And what this does is it takes the picture from the iPad, photo library, and it uploads it, which means add it to the J2E cloud, so that we can get access to that picture. Takes a while. Now the picture's been uploaded and you can see on the right hand side we've got the picture. Yeah. And there it is. And I can now drag that across. So there is my picture of the map. And if I tap on it, we can drag it out from a corner once we've got the tags around the outside. And this is a bit of a mess, so I'm just going to crop this by moving the middle tags so that we've got the picture and I can see the route that we took. Okay, so that's the first picture. Now I'm going to save that and I'm going to call it Route to School. And there we go, so that's saved. Now I'm going to go back to Google Earth, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take two more pictures, one of the starting point and one of the end point, so that's the shops and the school, and I'm going to take some 3D pictures. So we need to find Europe, and with Great Britain in the middle, and we can zoom in, and if you remember last time we can find England, we can zoom in and we'll get Birmingham. There's Birmingham. We can zoom in on Solihull, and we've got Shirley, and down here at the bottom we've got Cheswick Green. So put Cheswick Green in the middle of the screen and we can zoom in and we can go to the school. So I'm going to take a 3D picture, and so what I do here is just tap on 3D and we can get a 3D picture, and we can zoom in and out, we can pinch and squeeze and get the picture we want. We can rotate. So I think that'll do. And if you see at the left hand side of the screen, there's a little picture of a camera. If I tap on the camera, it will take a snapshot of the whole screen. It's a different way of doing it. This is a camera that's built into Google Earth. So there's the picture. Now we've got to save it to the photo library. So can you see it says save image down here? And I'll tap that and it saves that image. Very quick because it's not going anywhere. It's just going back into this machine, saved in that machine. If I now click on the 2D view, we can get the 2D view and we can squeeze to zoom out. And we can go and find the shops, and I think the shops are here. There we are. So there's the shops. I'm going to go and tap on the 3D button, and we can see around the shops. So I'm going to rotate, and I'm going to take a picture of the shops. So click on the camera, save the image, and that's done. So we now need to go back to J2E, and you can see it's on the bar at the bottom. So I can tap on J2 on the bottom. Oh, and we've got that image back that we had before, but that's on the J2E page. So we'll go through the process again of clicking on Photos, click on the plus, choose File, go to Photo Library, Recently Added Pictures, and you can see the two last pictures at the bottom of this window that opened up are that one, which is a picture of the school, and that one, which is a picture of the shops. So I click on Done, and both of those pictures upload. And we can drag those pictures. The school is there, and the starting point is there. And there it is. So we've got 3 pictures. I'm going to arrange those on the page, but I'm going to tap on the scale button at the bottom of the page and go to 85% so we can see the whole width of the page. Now what I want is the start picture at the top. I can increase the size of that. I want beneath that, I want the route, and then I want the finish picture at the bottom. So I need to scroll, drag the page up, we can put the picture at the bottom, click on the blue tag at the corner, and we can get the picture on the page. So we've got 3 pictures on the page. Now you can see this one at the bottom is a bit crooked. Can you see in the middle of the picture there's a little circle that lets me rotate the picture? If I touch the middle of the picture and move outwards, you can see we get a nice smooth movement, and we can let go when the picture's just right. If we move the finger in towards the middle, it jerks round in steps, as you can see there. I move the finger out a bit and it moves more smoothly. So that's it. So we've got 3 pictures which show our journey to school. So what I want you to do is put some labels on the picture. Label the first one our starting point, the middle one our route to school, and the third one a view of the school, or whatever you want to call it. And then when you've done that, save it again by clicking on the little picture of the disc with a star that's next to it, and if you tap it will save, and the little star moves to show you you've saved it.